Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to seek trust vote on Wednesday. Assembly session convened. Sawant confident of completing remaining 3 years. Trouble in coalition government within a day. Deepak Dhaurikar refuses to withdraw from Shiroda. Will BJP split the MGP and drop Sudin? Goa Election Office intimates Election Commission about vacant Panji seat after Parikar's demise. Panji by-poll may be held on 23rd April along with 3 others. Salaulim pipeline bursts in Madgaon. Water supply stopped from Salaulim plant. Kepe, Salsette and Mormugao to face water scarcity. Hello, I'm Leena and now the news in detail. Newly sworn-in Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took over the reins on Tuesday morning. He will seek trust vote on Wednesday and then fly to Delhi the next day. He has set 4 priorities including resolving the mining issue.
Dr. Pramod Sawant started his day on Tuesday by paying a condolence visit to the family of departed Manohar Parrikar at his Taligaon residence. He then sought blessings of Devi Mahalakshmi in Panji before proceeding to the ministerial block in Porvorim to take over the office. He spoke exclusively to Goa 365.
तुमचे 2 डेप्युटी सीएम असताले
तेजेर प्रश्न आनी कित्याक आसा आमचे 2 डेप्युटी सीएम आसा ऑलरेडी आमी फायनल केला प्रश्नास्पद विशय ना
आणि पोर्टफोलिओ तुम्ही केन्ना डिक्लेअर करता
जाता तितके बेगीन म्हटलें न्ही सांगून तुजो फाल्यां करूं शकता आयजूय करूं शकता जाता तितके बेगीन
वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडन्स घेतले
वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडन्स आमचो फाल्यां आसा ओके तो फाल्यां क्लियर जातलो
कॅन्सर स्पीकर कोण आसतलो आणि स्पीकराक इलेक्शन आसतलो
ऑलरेडी आतां डेप्युटी स्पीकर आसा त्या खातीर डेप्युटी स्पीकरूच जो आसा पळय न्ही तोच वोट ऑफ हे घेतलो
आणि सर कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम गव्हर्नमेंट गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो डिमांड
तेजेर आमी आनी गोवा फॉरवर्ड बसून डिस्कस करतले.
Dr. Sawant also spoke with the national media waiting for him at the ministerial block, besides the local media. There, he spoke at length about his priorities, the Lok Sabha polls as well as his plans to build Parrikar Samadhi at Miramar. This will be next to Bahusaheb Bandodkar Samadhi.
The first priority of mine is then take control over the administration. अच्छी तरह का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है वो गोवा प्रदेश को देना ये मेरी पहली प्रायोरिटी रहेगी. दूसरी प्रायोरिटी जो हमारे माजी मुख्यमंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रिकर हैं इनके जितने सारे प्रोजेक्ट एट प्रेजेंट गोवा में चल रहे हैं वो प्रोजेक्ट पूरे करने की प्रायोरिटी रहेगी. सभी प्रोजेक्ट जो है पूरे करने की प्रायोरिटी रहेगी. थर्ड थिंग इधन मैं मेरे स्पीच में हमेशा बोलते आया हूँ और काम करते आया हूँ विच इधर अंत्योदय तत्व. द लास्ट पर्सन इन द सोसाइटी विल वर्क फॉर द लास्ट पर्सन इन द सोसाइटी. उसके लिए काम करेंगे. उसकी जो नीड है ईच एंड एवरी गवर्नमेंट स्कीम उसके तक पहुँचे ये मेरी प्रायोरिटी रहेगी. So automatically there is a development, whole over the development of the human development also and the infrastructure development.
Sir, we have now got a CM from the mining belt. So will there be any priority for the dependents?
Definitely, there is a priority to solve the mining issue.
लगातार जो कांग्रेस कह रही है कि विश्वासघात हुआ है और वो इसको लेकर कोर्ट में जाएंगे और कोर्ट में दरवाजा खटखटाएंगे.
जाने दो कोर्ट में, किसने रोका है?
सर ये गठबंधन का सरकार है, चलाने में बहुत मुश्किल होती है. क्या किस तरह से
2 साल पर्रिकर ने जो चलाया है तो आगे 3 साल मैं चला सकूंगा.
any thought about going to Delhi in the future to meet the central leaders?
Day after tomorrow.
सर लोकसभा चुनाव को आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं? 2 सीटें हैं, क्या लगता है आपको?
लोकसभा चुनाव में 2 सीटें गोवा से, इस बार हम वापस से 2 सीट ही जीत रहे हैं. वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट है. अपनी पार्टी भी कॉन्फिडेंट है.
काल ज्या जाग्यार पयलींच्या सीएमाचे फायनल जितलो त्या जाग्यार समाधी बांधलो गेलो.
हय ऑफकोर्स, कारण त्या जाग्यार तशी भाऊसाहेबांचें समाधी स्थळ आसा ते त्याच पद्दतीचे तशेंच समाधी स्थळ जें आसा हें माजी मुख्यमंत्री मनोहरभाई पर्रिकरांचें आसतलें.
Our reporter Samir Narvekar with video journalist Irshad Sheikh from Porvorim.
Bharatiya Janata Party has claimed that it would never split the coalition parties like Maharashtrawaadi Gomantak Party or Goa Forward. But the latest news is that BJP may go ahead with its earlier plan of creating split within the MGP since Deepak Dhaurikar has refused to withdraw from contesting in Shiroda.
It is learned that Sudin Dhaurikar was made the Deputy Chief Minister on a sole condition that his brother, Deepak, should withdraw from the ferry in Shiroda by poll. If not, the BJP had made all the arrangement of Babu Asgankar and Deepak Pavaskar splitting from the MGP and merging their group in BJP. After the swearing-in ceremony at Raj Bhavan, Sudin said the ceremony was delayed because there were demands from all the sides, no clash as such.
No clash within us. Only thing, everybody wants something which cannot be fulfilled. That is the.
On Tuesday, BJP Goa President Vinay Tendulkar flatly denied that they had any plans to split the MGP.
काल रात्री एक विषय झाला की MGPचे ऑलमोस्ट 2 आमदार तुमच्या इथून जॉईन जावपाक रेडी जाल्ले
ना तशें कांय ना आमी आमचे सहकारी पक्षाक केन्नाच डॅमेज करचे ना आमकां तांकां सगळ्यांक घेऊनच वचपाक विश्वासघात केन्नाच कोणाच करता.
But it needs to be seen what would be BJP's strategy if Deepak Davlikar remains adamant on his stand to contest from Shiroda. Will BJP drop MGP from the government, split the MGP by winning over Babu and Pavaskar, or will Sudin resign? Our video journalist Yashwant Parab and Irshad Sheikh from Panaji.
With the demise of Manohar Parrikar, it is likely that by-election for Panaji seat would also be held on 23rd April along with Lok Sabha and by-elections of 3 vacant seats. Goa Electoral Office has already intimated the Election Commission about it. Additional Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Sawant says that Election Commission of India has to take a final call on this.
Election Commission has already announced that the official notification will be issued on 28th of March for Lok Sabha election and Assembly by-elections in Goa, and polling will be held on 23rd of April.
मांद्रे शिरोडा आणि म्हापसा हाजे खातीर ऑलरेडी डिसायड केलां की हाजें इलेक्शन जातलें म्हणून. आतां तुमी जें म्हणलें की पणजी विधानसभेच्या सिटा खातीर इलेक्शन जातलें काय कितें म्हणून तें डिसिजन आमी ऑलरेडी कळयलां इलेक्शन कमिशनाक की पणजी सीट हो वेकंट जाला म्हणून. कारण आमकां लेजिस्लेशना कडच्यान लेजिस्लेटिव्ह डिपार्टमेंट जें आसा तें आमकां कळयता आनी अकॉर्डिंगली आमी इलेक्शन कमिशनाक कळयलां की पणजी हो सीट वेकंट आसा म्हणून. आनीक हाजेर इलेक्शन बरोबर जावपाचें काय कितें तें इलेक्शन कमिशनान डिसिजन घेवपाचें आसता, दे वील डिसायड. आनीक पूण वी आर प्रिपेर्ड फॉर द इलेक्शन. आमी जो कितें अरेंजमेंट गरज आसा, जो अरेंजमेंट करपाची गरज आसा तो अरेंजमेंट ऑलरेडी करतले. आणि इन केस द इलेक्शन कमिशनान बरोबर घेवपाचो जर निर्णय घेतलो जाल्यार त्या अनुसार आमी वी विल एक्ट एज पर डिसिजन ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमिशन.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant also said he is not aware when Panji by-election will be held.
At present, at least 3 by-polls. 4th one is not finalized.
But notification has not come.
Yeah, it may. हमें एक खातरी है कि तीनों बाई-पोल जो हैं हम जीत लेंगे.
There were rumors that Babush Monserrat, who is now with Goa Forward, is keen on contesting once again from Panaji. See how BJP President Vinay Tendulkar reacts to it.
म्हाका कांय खबर ना. गोवा फॉरवर्ड आमी वांगडा आसा आनी वांगडाच वतले.
पर्रीकरांच्या कुटुंबियांपैकी कोण निवडणूक लढवण्याला इच्छुक आहे?
तशें कांय अजून तेजे दीस तरी जावनी. एक दीस जाता काल हें करून आनी मदींच आमी तेजी चर्चा करप योग्य न्ही.
Our video journalist Sham Chari and Irshad Sheikh from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Congress charged that the BJP was having the floor test before distributing portfolios, as otherwise the government would fall. Here is more.
Congress spokesperson Rajan Mello told the media on Tuesday that he has said that the delay in swearing-in ceremony was because there were certain people in the ruling coalition who were in touch with the Congress too and negotiating the form of government with it. However, the Congress was not willing to give in their demands, so it did not materialize. Watch Congress spokesperson make these charges.
आता मुख्यमंत्री सांगला फाल्यां नोटिफिकेशन येयला नको फाल्यां फ्लोर टेस्ट म्हणून. तो फाल्यां फ्लोर टेस्ट कित्याक घेता? तो पोर्टफोलियो दिवचे आदी तो फ्लोर टेस्ट घेता. पोर्टफोलियो दितूच फ्लोर टेस्ट करी सरकार पडटलो. Yesterday you could see that how many were in touch with us. Therefore the delay there. If they were not in touch with us, the whole thing was over there by 6 o'clock. There was an official statement by a regional party which said that we are going to support anybody. Again, there was that said bargaining. The cake was there not to loot. We are not allowed to loot. We are not accepting your condition. That was very clear. We are not prepared to get in partnership with anybody with any condition. They put a condition there, if you could read it.
Trajan also criticized the role of the governor in formation of the government watch.
It is a simple thing that what we were trying to say, and it is known to the whole of God, is that they had made it very clear, our support is only to Mr. Parrikar. Now when that collapsed, the position came back as from the day of the first day of election. When their haramgiri was made and the largest majority was not invited. Did she at least make an attempt to sit down with us and discuss what are the possibilities? How do we do? Has she checked about the stability with open bargaining going on? You are allowing such a thing to happen?
Our video journalist Sham Chari in Panachi.
It's a sheer coincidence that deaths of chief ministers gave the youngest politicians as their successors in Goa. Once in 1973, when Bahusaheb Bandodkar died in office, his daughter Sashikala Kakodkar was made the CM. She was hardly 38, and now Manohar Parrikar is the second CM. Dr. Pramod Sawant succeeds him, and he is hardly 46.
Born on 24th April 1973, Dr. Pramod Sawant became the Chief Minister of Goa hardly 1 month before his birthday. Having been closely associated with the RSS in his young days, the Ayurvedic doctor joined active politics as the Goa President of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. He was elected the MLA for the first time in 2012 and then in 2017, the current assembly. After serving as the Speaker for 2 years, he is now the Chief Minister. Sakrikas are in jovial mood as the MLA is now Chief Minister of Goa. People have huge expectations from him. Some locals were also present at his office in Secretariat to congratulate him. The local self-governing bodies from Sakri constituency are very happy with Sawant being the CM.
सगळ्यांकीन पयली हांव सबंद सांखळी म्युनिसिपालिटी कावन्सिलरा वतीन हांव दोतोराक शुभेच्छा दिता चीफ मिनिस्टर जाल्ले बद्दल. गेले 6 वर्सां जालीं हांव चेअरपर्सन आसा. आमकां जाय तो सरकाराचो मेळूंक ना. आतां चीफ मिनिस्टर पोस्ट सांखळी कॉन्स्टिट्युशन मेळ्ळा आनी आमच्या आमदाराक मेळ्ळा. ते आमची सांखळीकारांची आनी सांखळी म्युनिसिपालिटीची एकूच अपेक्षा आसतली की सांखळीचो विकास आनी सांखळीचो उदरगत हे करपा खातीर तेणी सहकार्य करचें आनी जे मास्टर प्लॅनिंग एग्जिक्युशन उरलां आनी तेजे खातीर सांखळी म्युनिसिपालिटीक खुबसो फंड जाय ते तेणी आमकां उपलब्ध करून दिवचो जेणे करून सांखळीची उदरगत नेटान फुडें वयतली म्हणून.
आमच्या भाईचो उत्तराधिकारी म्हणून आमच्या दोतोराकडे पळयता सगळे जाण. ते दोतोरान तशेंच फुडें दवरचो विकास कामांच आराखडो तसोच वयर उंचीर व्हरून दवरचो आनी आमच्या सांखळी मतदारसंघान आनी आमच्या वेगळ्या गांवांनी मातशें चड लक्ष घालचो.
आज सांखळी मतदारसंघाक एक बरी संदी येयल्या. फर्स्ट टायम आमचो डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत एका मुख्यमंत्री पदा पर्यंत पावल्लो आसा. आमकां विश्वास आसा आज मायनींग बंद आसा आनी तरी सुद्दां सगळे जे विशय आहा तो आमचो मुख्यमंत्री आनी आमचो आमदार हो सगळे विशय वेवस्थीत हँडल करतलो. एक युवा तडफदार 45 वर्षीय आमदार आज मुख्यमंत्री पदाचे खुर्चे पर्यंत पावल्लो आसा आनी जो भाईन तेजे विश्वास दवरला त्या विश्वासाक आमचो मुख्यमंत्री पात्र ठरतलो.
Our reporter Mahesh Goyekar in Sakri.
It is still not known if Michael Lobo would be elevated to the post of Speaker after Dr. Pramod Sawant has become the Chief Minister. But BJP workers from Kothari have already demanded that their MLA Alina Saldana be made the Deputy Speaker because she is the only woman in the BJP legislature party. Not that people of Kothari don't want Alina to be made the minister, but that seems to be not possible because there is no vacancy. That's why the demand to make her the Deputy Speaker. After sudden death of her husband Mathani Saldana, she was elected the MLA and made the minister in Parrikar government in the last 10 years.
माननीय प्रमोद सावंत डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जो चीफ मिनिस्टर जाल्ले तेंचे कडेन आमी मागता कितें पयलीं कितें प्रॉब्लम आसलें म्हणून आमचे मॅडमीक आमची एकूच एक मॅडम आमचे एकूच एक बायल मनीस आमचे जे हितून BJPचे हितून आसा तांकां कसले हितून एक पोस्ट मेळून एक मिनिस्ट्रीन मेळूना कसले हितून मेळूना. आतां तरी आमी मागता आमचो माननीय CM डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांचे कडेन मागता कितें आमचे मॅडम जे कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युशन जिखून येयल्या तांकां बरें कितें तरी एक्चुअली एक स्पिकराचे पोस्ट ना डेप्युटी स्पीकर कितें तरी एक पोस्ट दिवपाक जाय कितें
should have been given a post as a minister or maybe any other post like a speaker or something like that, at least to respect the women in the assembly. Today there is no voice of the women in the assembly, and not only now, she should have been elected earlier also, which I think Kottaling constituency is missing her a lot. She's been honest and she's proved her honesty in the assembly as well as in the
50% जे मतदार आसा ते महिला आसा आनी त्या नात्यान म्हाका अशें दिसता की आमचे कुट्टाळचे आमदार एलिना साल्दाना जे आसा तांकां एक तरी मिनिस्ट्री नाजाल्यार एक स्पीकर नाजाल्यार डेप्युटी स्पीकर तरी आमच्या सरकारान दिवचे अशें आमी जाणात की आमचे पर्रीकर भाई सदांच महिला बद्दल आदर आशिल्लो आनी महिला सशक्तीकरण जावचें गोंयान अशें तांकां दिसतालें ताणें ह्या खातीर खुबशे योजना जशें की गृह आदार मागीर लाडली लक्ष्मी आनी विधवा खातीर पेन्शनूय ताणें स्टार्ट केल्लें सो ते बेजाचेर हांव आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टी आमचे नवे चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन तेच भशेन आमचे जे वरिश्ठ अधिकारी आसात BJPचे तांचे कडेन मागता की तांच्यांनी एक मिनिस्ट्री नाजाल्यार स्पीकर ना तर डेप्युटी स्पीकर तरी मॅडम एलिनाक दिवचो अशें.
But in this tenure, she was not considered. We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The Salaulim pipeline burst once again on Tuesday, this time in Madgaon. Now people of Kepe, Salsette and Mormugao talukas will be affected for at least one day.
This is a very old pipeline which got burst at Sonsodo in Madgaon. The leakage had started on Monday. The PWD will take at least one day to repair it. Till then, water supply is stopped from Salaulim plant, but another plant is put into operation to supply water to Salsette and Mormugao, but partially.
आमची ओल्ड लायन 1200 mm PSC लायन सालावलीच्यान जी येता ती तिची ब्रेकडावन जाल्ली आसा डॉग शेल्टर सालसोडे गोगळ मारगांव आनी काल मातशी जाल्ली आयज इल्ली चड जाली आनी आमी रोखडेंच ते आतां उपसून काम चालू केल्या आनी 4-5 वरां भितर कंप्लीट करपाक पळयता.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuekar from Madgaon.
As Goa was in mourning, there were some people out to make a quick buck. The Panaji police arrested 12 pickpocketers in Panaji on Monday. These 12 were involved in chain snatching and pickpocketing wallets of mourners who had come to pay last respect to the late Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar.
Monday was the day Parrikar was cremated after being kept for the public, but for some it was an opportunity. Here Panaji PI Sudesh Naik gives more detail. Watch.
BJP ऑफिसा कडेन जेन्ना लेट सीएमाचे पार्टी सुरू केले लोकां दर्शना खातीर त्या वेळार हे कंप्लेनंट आमचे केदार मणेरकर बी आयिल्ले सो तांचे जी गळ्याक चेन आशिल्ली ती कोण तरी तेजे चेनी हात घातलो सो तो मातसो अलर्ट जालो आनी ताणें अशें आरडाओरडा सुरू केली आनी लोकांनी 2 जाण धरले ते धरून पुलीस स्टेशनार हाडले चेनूय मेळ्ळी आमकां सो ती रिकवर केली.
Goa 365 Bureau Report in Panaji.
During the fight for independence, many Goan writers had left the state to avoid harassment. But after 1947, once India gained independence, these writers started writing against the colonial rulers of Goa openly. Noted writer Kiran Budkule opined during her speech at Ravindra Bhavan.
She was speaking during the book launch ceremony of Damodar Mauzo's Ink of the Descent. The ceremony was held at Ravindra Bhavan, Margaon. Historian Ramchandra Guha, Ravindra Bhavan President Prashant Naik, Vice President Shaish Panandikar and Tanvi Kamat Bambolkar were present.
Bakibab Borkar, Lakshman Rao Sardesai, he makes a correct, truthful statement, factual statement that they had to exile, migrate to Mumbai during the Goa freedom struggle because there they found the climate conducive to their literary expression. Why? Because they had migrated to India, which was free. 1946, June 18, Lohia comes, and August 15, 1947, India is free. language and literature he feels can really shape the world, and I agree with him to a large extent. So you can see that English teachers they may be earning their bread and butter from Shakespeare and Eliot, but they know who is their Shanae Goembab, they know what they need to do, and some of them may be. But I want to ask another question. Do all Konkani writers, and more importantly Konkani teachers, know exactly who is Shanae Goembab? How does he stand in relation to all the other forerunners of his?
Damodar Mauzo, the author, spoke on the freedom of expression given in the Indian Constitution. Because of this, writers like him are writing without any fear, he said. According to him, politics has now become a business. Listen to his views on this.
केन्ना विचारता आमी जेन्ना 40 लेखकांनी जेन्ना अवॉर्ड वापसी केली, साहित्य अकादमीचे अवॉर्ड्स वर रिटर्न, people ask us, where were you then when emergency was declared? We were all there. Right from Durga Bhagwat, everybody was there in the street. Now, I mean, don't be under impression that the writers come up, rise up when things don't happen as per their whims or their expectations. It's not so. I think right to dissent is the only very beautiful right that is been awarded to us by our constitution. आणि हांव ताजे खातीर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आमचे जोपर्यंत आसता तशें उरतलें तोपर्यंत म्हाका कसलोच भंयच ना.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuenkar from Margao.
Goa will remember Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia on his birth anniversary. 18 June Kranti Divas Samiti will be organizing Lohia birth anniversary on 23rd March to remember his contribution to Goa's freedom struggle.
Samiti's president, Avinash Shirodkar, told media that on 23rd of March, the program will start after foreign tribute were paid. Medical camps have been organized for taxi drivers, rickshaw drivers and motorcycle pilots in Margao.
23 मार्चाक सकाळी 9 वरांचेर आमचे पुतळ्या डॉक्टर रामन लोहियाच्या हार घालून तांकां आर्गांव ओपून ते सेलिब्रेट करतले. सायडी स्मारक आसा थंय फुलां वाजले आनी तेजे उपरांत आमी इलेक्शन कोड लागले कारणान आमकां मातसो प्रॉब्लम जालो. बट तेजे भायर आमी सगळे फ्रिडम फायटर जे वेगवेगळे फ्रिडम फायटर वेगवेगळे संघटनेचे आसात, आमचे संघटनेचे अध्यक्ष बाब चंद्रकांत पेडणेकर जावन आसात, तेजे उपरांत बाब नागेश करमली, कुंदास बाब केळेकार, पांडुरंग बाब कुंकळकार, तशेंच आमचे मुकुंद बाब शिकरे, हे सगळे वेगवेगळे आमचे नेते ज्येश्ठ स्वातंत्र्य सैनीक हांगा जमतले आनी तेंच्या हातीन समूह प्रज्वलीत करून आमी त्या सरावंडींग आमचे जे रिक्षावाले आसा, पायलट लोक आसात आनी टॅक्सीवाले आसा, हांकां लागून स्पेशल कॅम्प दवरला. त्या लोकांची आमी काळजी घेवून डॉक्टर राम मनोहराच्या नांवान हे आमी कॅम्प दवरला आनी आमी मागता सगळे लोकां मडवकारांनी ह्या दिसा जमचे. महान नेत्याक आमी सगळ्यांनी जयंती सेलिब्रेट करपाक जमचे आनी सगळ्यांक सूट वाडटले. तशें आमचो फ्रक्चर त्या दिसांत आसा, आमी तुमकां इनवायट करता, प्रेसवाले इनवायट करता आनी सदय आयची पिढी तेच्या मनान डॉक्टर राम मनोहर भरपाक जाय म्हणून आमी सगळे तयार करता.
Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut in Margao.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.